Hey guys, we're here at a Boardwalk studio at the Boardwalk Villas at Walt Disney World. Stepping in, I'm just going to give you a quick overview. We're greeted with some really adorable art to start off with. Bathroom here on the left, closet. Because we are at a villa, which is a DVC property, even though the studio is going to be very similar to a regular hotel room at the Boardwalk, what you're not going to find at those is this. This kitchenette is really helpful for prepping breakfast in the morning, heating up leftovers at night, and you got a full-size coffee pot here, along with your Keurig 1 cup. So this is great, whether you need to make the full pot or part of a pot, that's perfect. We have a small refrigerator here. Now this refrigerator is not going to have an ice compartment. Just keep that in mind. You can't put anything frozen in here. If you want something a little cooler, sometimes I just stick the ice bucket in there, put some ice, and stick whatever I want nice and cold in the ice bucket in the refrigerator. Up top here, you're going to find some paper goods and whatnot. On this side up here, I'm on the short side, so bear with me. That is the utensils there. Microwave, toaster, paper towels. You do have some dish soap, dish towel, sponge, so you can clean out the coffee pot or your cups and water bottles for the park. Here's the bathroom area. So it's one sink here, plenty of space though. One thing I will keep in mind is there's no separate door here, if you see. So if you're getting ready, you've got the light on here, people are still sleeping, they are going to be able to hear you and see the light. Behind the closed door, we have the rest of the bathroom. Full shower, nice tile work. As always, we have our Disney H2O bath products. I absolutely love the way those smell. The fan in here does go on when you turn on the light, which is that humming you hear in the background. And there you go, it's off. Up here we have our closet, ironing board, pillows and blankets. We have our steam iron, wall safe. There's plenty of room in here if you see. So there's plenty of room for luggage. It's a really deep closet. Makeup mirror, full vanity. In here we do have our hair dryer, and you can find our extra towels down here. Stepping into the main room, I was actually really surprised how big this is when we first walked in. I mean, this is a great family room. There's plenty of space for everybody. This room does sleep up to 5 guests. So we have some additional storage here with some pull-out benches, which are great because you can pull them around that table over there near the sofa, play a game, have a snack. Queen size bed here. And if you notice, there's plenty of space underneath. Your luggage slides under there as well. So plenty of room for everybody, plenty of room for luggage. We don't have to worry about that. We have some adorable artwork here, Mickey, Minnie, Pluto. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, I mentioned this room sleeps 5, and we'll show you how these beds work in a minute. But this right here is a Murphy bed. This is going to fold down to be another queen size bed. Over here is a Murphy bed, but this one's going to fold down to be a twin. And it's a small adult child size twin. It's really not meant for large adults, but we'll show that to you in a minute. Both of these Murphy beds do have regular mattresses on them, which means they're really, really comfortable. Over here we have Disney's version of Alexa, Hey Disney. Once you sign into the terms and privacy conditions, you can use this like you would Alexa at home and say, Hey Disney, play me a song. Or Hey Disney, let me know what the temperature is. Nightstand, table. As you can see, this can lock off to another room, so there are connecting options available here. Beautiful curtains. I love these drapes. They're so simple. I love the silhouettes. And here's part of the best part of this room. Look at this view. There's a Boardwalk View room, and it is so peaceful out here. We're located in the EPCOT area. You can actually see Spaceship Earth just a bit off in the distance. There's boat transportation that takes you to both EPCOT and Hollywood Studios from here. As well over, you could go across to the Boardwalk Beach Club or Swan and Dolphin. But honestly, too, you can just walk right over to EPCOT from here. That walkway over here on the right will take you all the way to EPCOT. It's a really quick walk. Great place to sit out here with coffee, relax at night. But let's look at the rest of the room, and I'll show you how these beds work. So this bed's pretty easy to pull down. I'm going to do it by myself here so you can see. Just like that. Look at that cute artwork in there. And like I said, this is very comfortable, but it's really meant for a smaller adult or a child. This is a regular mattress. I've slept on these. It's quite comfortable. I'm about 5 feet tall though, so just keep that in mind. And I'm going to ask Adam and Lily for help with the other Murphy bed here. We're going to get this table out of the way. It's on wheels, so it moves pretty easily. I just want you guys to see how easy this is, so it's not, you don't have to worry about getting ready at night. Everything folds right down. Your bedding's already made. You're going to find the pillows in that closet I showed you earlier. And look at that art, more cute artwork. One thing I will caution is this corner here. Walking into it can hurt in the middle of the night, so we usually like just stick a towel on the edge of it so nobody bumps into it. And this coffee table is really cute too. When it's at the couch, you can pull over the chairs and it folds up, so you could use this as a table to dine. Overall, this is a great room option for families. I do think you can rent, you don't have to be DVC, you can rent these as part of your vacation package. And I think it's really, really helpful to have all this extra space, a couple of sleeping arrangements. The veranda provides a little bit of private outside space, which is always nice. And then of course, this little kitchenette really helps you make breakfast and snacks and keep the whole family happy. And then we have this little bit of space here. We have the full-length mirror. You can see all of our luggage is over here. You could certainly park a stroller over there. There may be enough room for a scooter, but there's no outlet over here, so keep that in mind. I hope you enjoyed this room tour, and I hope this helps you decide where to stay on your next Disney vacation. If you want to see more videos like this, like, subscribe, and if you need help planning your Walt Disney World vacation, you can find us at www.ourtravelpartner.com or just mention me down in the comments. Thanks, guys.